In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new list in Trello with ease. If you've been wondering how to organize your project tasks or simply wish to tidy up your workspace on Trello, you're in the right place. Let's dive into it as I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, ensuring you can create lists on your Trello board without any hassle. First, we'll head over to your web browser, open it up and type in trello.com in the address bar. Once the page loads, you'll see the welcoming Trello home site, giving you multiple options. But for now, we're focused on logging into our account. Simply find the login option on the top right corner of the screen, click on Login, and this action will take you to the login page. Here, you're given the choice to log in using your email address or through your Google account. Whichever is more convenient for you is perfectly fine, as both methods will smoothly guide you into your Trello workspace. After you've logged in, your journey to organizing your tasks can officially begin. Next, let's move to the Trello boards page. This is where all the magic happens. On your dashboard, you'll spot a section titled Your Workspaces. This is essentially your command center where different boards that you've created, or boards you're a part of, are organized. Here, you need to locate the specific board where you want to add your new list. Find the board, which could be labeled anything from project timeline to team tasks. Go ahead and click on that board. Once inside your chosen board, a familiar interface appears, displaying any lists or cards that currently occupy this board. Now focus your attention on finding an option that says Add Another List on the right hand side. This button is essentially your key to creating structure and order. Click on it and you're on to the next step, giving your list a name. The naming process plays an important role because it defines the purpose and content you'll be managing under this list. Whether it's to do, in progress, or completed, choose a name that clearly represents the list's function. Once you've settled on a name you like, it's as simple as typing that into the provided field. Finally, the last step, clicking on Add List. That's it, your new list will appear instantly right there on your board, ready for you to start populating it with cards and further organizing your work. And that's all there is to it. By following these straightforward steps, you've now successfully added a new list to your Trello board. This will undoubtedly help keep your projects organized, whether you're managing personal tasks or collaborating with a team. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.